Go get in this intro. You ain't trying to get this intro? No? He ain't trying to get in the intro, y'all. He ain't trying to get in the intro. Old penny pincher over there. All right, y'all, so what's going on? We out here at Darlington Drag Strip after I spun the tires on 3 different passes. Actually, it was 2 passes. One I had them wheel hopping, and another one I just lit them up at Kinston. There was some big dogs out there. I probably wasn't gonna win anyway, but I just want to go out there and have fun and meet up with my old guys. So we're gonna try to get the suspension right out here at Darlington. I think I got everything good. I'm gonna check the air pressure, and then we're gonna roll up there and we're gonna make a pass. All right, so let's get to it. Still ain't gonna say nothing.
Camera shot.
Camera shot.
Headlights on?
I just cut them off. Oh.
Motorcycle boys sitting cutting it on, y'all. We must got a motorcycle race down here tomorrow or something. So this we got to take this. Motorcycle boys out here in Darlington. These motorcycles, they got to get on the stretch bike.
How we gonna get that in the trailer? Huh? Man, dang, snap the lugs off there. Well, I'm just glad. I am so glad the wheel didn't come off. That would have been bad. Well. Okay, so as you guys can see, I sheared the studs. Well, I sheared the studs right off of the axle, and I'm pretty sure the driver's side one was coming loose too. As you can see, that wheel was wobbling. So what I ended up doing, well, me and my cousin Larry ended up doing, I went out to Lowe's, just got some bolts that stick through it and a nut, 3 bolts and 3 nuts, so I can put the wheel back on and we can roll it on the trailer. By the time you guys are watching this video, I should have it already fixed or in the process of fixing it, so we can try to get back out, get that suspension dialed in, make some adjustments, leave softer, and go faster, hopefully. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe, and please comment, because that really helps out. And just like the video, put that big thumbs up, right? And don't forget to check out the next video that's coming up from the footage later on that night. That is a $30,000 purse grudge race, $30,000 grudge race between ODB and Obama. All right, that turbo Mustang versus a nitrous box Chevy. It's a hell of a race. So stay tuned for that. You guys want to see it. All right, so have a good one, and we'll catch you next time.